Hey, it's Poke here, back in a new video. So today, I'll be showing you guys how you can make your PC way faster. So to begin this, you'll need to download this application from this website. This will be in the description below. But all you have to do is you have to scroll all the way to the bottom and then click download application. And once you get that, then you will have the unparked CPU.zip. Just drag it to your desktop. And if you don't have WinMart, that would be in the description as well. Click extract files. Okay. Then you can close out of that. And then you can open this up. And then you'll have all this stuff. You just want to click the unparked CPU and then click yes. It'll probably black out, yep. And then this application should be open. So you can just close that folder. And then all you have to do is just click check status. It should probably take a couple minutes. So I will come back when it is ready. Okay, I'm back. So this is my second time recording this because the first time I didn't record audio. So it should say in the status that some of them are unparked and some are parked. So once it says that, all you want to do is just click unpark all and then wait for it to finish. So the next thing I have here is driver booster. And this will update all of your drivers that are outdated. So all you have to do is click download now, click keep, wait for this to install. It should not take a while. It should be actually pretty fast. Okay, so now once you have this open, all you have to do is just click yes, and then go through with installment, preparing for driver booster. Okay, and then all you just do is click install. But I already have it installed, so all you do is just click install, and then just install it. Once you have it installed, just search it up in your taskbar, driver booster 6. That should open up. I don't know what's not working. Let me get it working. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So once you have it installed, it should be on your desktop, or you just search up Driver Booster 6, and now it should open, or it'll also be in your taskbar. Okay, and once it opens, it'll show up like this, and all you do is just click scan now, and it'll scan for any outdated drivers. It'll scan for all outdated drivers. Oh, so I do have one outdated, so all I just gotta do is click update now. It will ask you if you want to get the pro version. I do recommend it. Just search up a video how to get it for free, and yeah, it's pretty easy. So all it's gonna do is it's gonna update all of your drivers, and it'll just make your PC way faster. You know, one of my friends had 40 outdated drivers, so it made his computer way faster when I did this. And yeah, so now it's just gonna install all the drivers. Okay. So, okay, I still have one outdated. Okay. Okay, yeah. You have to have pro version to get all of them, like the game drivers, which are not really important. The free version just does all of the things that are actually important to your computer. So yeah. Okay, so once you have updated all your drivers, there's a couple things you can do. If you just type in run, then you can go to %temp%, and then it'll open up a folder with a bunch of stuff. So you just want to delete everything. Click Control A and just click delete. But if you have NVIDIA highlights like me, then you can't really do that because you want it still there. So just delete everything except highlights if you have NVIDIA highlights. If not, don't worry about it. And then after that, your computer should be way faster. But if it's not, then there's a little other things you can do to improve it. You can just update your drivers all the time as much as you can. And yeah, clean your folders every single day and delete a bunch of junk that you don't need. But I really hope this video did help you guys out, and if it did, don't forget to drop a like. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.